The TigerStop is an automated material pusher which is designed to save you time, material, and money. Available in lengths up to 30 feet long, the TigerStop can be fitted to any machine such as a saw station, drill, punch, or more. Using the standard controller or TigerTouch user interface, operators can input cut lists with ease and be confident their cuts will be accurate to plus or minus 0.04 of an inch. Using a TigerStop eliminates costly rework and time wasted setting manual stops. With the TigerStop platform, you can quickly integrate with your existing system for a fully automated experience. Here you see our full-length TigerStop system integrated with an automated saw station. The operator inputs the material length, the length between each cut, and the number of cuts required. The TigerStop then takes care of the rest. With a weight capacity of 120 pounds, and optional roller tables, gang stop, and pusher accessories available, there aren't many materials the TigerStop can't handle. You can learn more and pick up yours today at the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to Flexible Assembly on YouTube and enable alerts so you don't miss out on our next one. Thanks for watching and have a great day.